If a statistic is obtained from a random sample of size n, there is a 95% probability that it lies within 1 over the square root of n times 100% of the true population percent, where plus or minus 1 over square root of n times 100% is called the margin of error. For example, a Harris poll of 2,513 US adults aged 18 and older asked the question, how many books do you typically read in a year? And the results are shown. Find the margin of error for this survey and round to the nearest tenth of a percent. The formula, 1 over the square root of n times 100%. In this case, n, the number of people in the sample, 2513. And we're going to multiply that by 100%. We have 1 divided by the square root of 2513, and we want to multiply that by 100. We get 1.9948, and if we're rounding to the nearest tenth of a percent, that will be 2%. And we'll do plus or minus. So the margin of error is plus or minus 2%. Part B says, write a statement about the percentage of US adults who read more than 10 books per year. Looking at the data, we can see that more than 10 books is 36%. So that's the amount of people in the survey that read more than 10 books per year, 36%. So we can say, using the margin of error, that we are 95% confident that going up and down by 2%, that 36%, we can say 34% to 38% of adults read more than 10 books in a year. And then part C, why might some people not respond honestly and accurately to the question in the poll? There could be multiple different reasons, but one, for example, could be that some people may be embarrassed to admit that they read few or no books in a year.